Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving forward with a nice podium fireside chat with the CEO of Nepal Tourism Board, Mr. Deepak Raj Joshi, and the session is being moderated by Mr. Sudhan Subedi, the Senior Officer of Nepal Tourism Board. So may we please have Mr. Deepak Raj Joshi and Mr. Sudhan Subedi with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning. I wish I was standing here for MC. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm given 7 minutes for the fireside. I have got fire on my right and I'm side on his side. So directly with the question, I've got my CEO. Talking with CEO is not an easy task. Thank you for the opportunity. I'll get direct with the question. What inspired NTV and its partners to organize this NICE 2025, and what makes it a landmark event for Nepal's tourism industry?
Thank you, Sudhanji. NICE 2025 is a visionary initiative to strengthen Nepal's tourism ties with India and China, which are, we all know that, the largest outbound markets. I think in 2018 or 19, we too, Suresh and myself, we were sitting in a pub, and where usually the creative ideas popped up, and we were talking about creating something better tourism event for our campaign here. That was Visit Nepal 2020. It was designed for that at that time, but because of COVID and because of so many reasons, we couldn't organize that event, and sometimes it takes time to happen good things. And in this 2025, we are organizing this by bringing together the industry leaders, investors, and stakeholders. We aim to establish this Nepal, our country, as a key MICE destination. And we aim to establish as a MICE destination and a hub of tourism in this region. This event marks the beginning of a new era of strategic tourism partnership. So the inspiration is to bring two largest outbound markets, the one. And then second is to create an opportunity of lifetime experiences in the most diverse country on earth, which is Nepal. And third is to connect the buyers and sellers for a fruitful business ties.
So I'll have 2 more questions. I'm given 7 minutes. I repeat once again. The theme for NICE 2025 is NICE for MICE and more. So what is more and how we're doing with NICE and MICE?
Nepal offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and modern infrastructure for MICE tourism. We have expanded our convention and event facilities and expanding more, improved connectivity, and launched targeted marketing campaigns to attract international conferences, corporate retreats, and incentive travel. Events like NICE 2025 will showcase our capacity to host world-class business gatherings. The strength of Nepal as a MICE destination lies in our locational positioning too. 4 capital cities from Kathmandu can be accessed in 1 hour of flight. Plus, cities with 20 million plus population in each cities can be accessed in 1.5 hour to 2.5 hours of flight. The connecting infrastructure in our neighboring countries is also like never before. That is very, very fantastic now. And then another thing is the country itself is very, very lively, welcoming, and charming. Especially what we have observed is whenever there are some bidding events happening to choose different destinations as a MICE destination, and when the MICE organizers or destination organizers, they ask for to choose the destinations, and if there is Nepal in the list, in the option, the most votes are ticked for Nepal. That's the reality, and that's the strength of Nepal.
One last question before I wrapped up. A bit nervous with the beauty in front, bedazzled with the beauty in front. Nandini ma'am, this is a compliment for you. Now the final question I'm putting up with the CEO sir is, how do you see Nepal benefiting from deeper tourism collaboration with India and China through NICE 2025? This is final question. Yes.
Uh, Strengthening regional tourism cooperation with help to boost visitor numbers, create cross-border tourism packages, and open up investment opportunities. In that line, I see more potential in near future. We anticipate that NICE 2025 will facilitate long-term business partnerships and policy dialogues, ensuring smoother travel experiences and mutual growth in all three countries. But our vision is to make this event not only limited in Nepal, India, China only, but as a global hub for international market who want to connect and do business with the region in a nice way.
Thank you, CSR. Thank you, NICE, for having us. That's it from our side. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much to Mr. Deepak Raj Joshi and Mr. Sudhan Subedi for this fireside chat. Now to present with the token of appreciation to Mr. Deepak Raj Joshi, may we please invite.
As we all are familiar, this conference is powered by Visa. So we would like to invite the Vice President of India and South Asia, Mr. Anand Vijay Jha. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. Could we have the pleasure of having you on the stage? This is NICE for Mice and More, powered by Visa. A huge round of applause